I think we've heard lots of people talk. So there will be very little talking, uh, except what is absolutely necessary. The program is called Sounds of Bangalore. Now, how does one do that, right? Are we placing honks in here? Is this the traffic noise that we're trying to capture? Well, Bangalore has lots of sounds, and we have picked some songs. Of course, Ram sir has helped, and we've divided the show, the entire ensemble into the city of love, the city of diversity, the city of moods, and the city that honors things of the past, uses it for the present and the future, and to end with the city which has a lot of apocalyptic predictions and it weathers through it. What are the songs, one may wonder, right? What are we starting with? City of Love. Why would Bangalore have that many parks, one may wonder? Why would Bangalore have that many lakes, one may wonder, right? There is a park not very far from where we are right now, the famous Cubbon Park. And the song that we've chosen was shot there. It was first recognized in Bangalore, this tune, before India heard it. What tune is this, guys? ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಭಾಷೆಯಿದು ರಸಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು ಇದಾಡಲು ಕವಿ ಬೇಕೆ ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಕಥೆ ನೂರನು ನಾನೆಂದು ನಗೆಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ಇರುಳಲ್ಲು ಕಾಣುವೆ ಕಿರುನಗೆಯನು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಿದ್ದ ಹೊಂಗನಸನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆವೆ ನಾ ಮಳೆಯಲು ಬಿಡದಂತೆ ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಭಾಷೆಯಿದು ರಸಕಾವ್ಯವಿದು ಇದಾಡಲು ಕವಿ ಬೇಕೆ ನಗುವ ನಯನ ಮಧುರ ಮೌನ ಮಿಡಿವ ಹೃದಯ ಇರೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ of Love, City of Love. I know this song because of Anil Kapoor in it and Kaban Park, of course. This is one of the wonders of Ilayaraja's music, and it's sung by S.P. Balasubramaniam and S. Janaki. For those who are not aware, I'm sure most of us are. The next song under this love genre is a very fun one. It's something to do with the pulsating spirit of Bengaluru. This love that there is, this love there isn't, and this dance that happens with the emptiness and the full of it. What is it called? It is also sung by S. Janaki, and it has Dr. Rajkumar in it. Any guesses? Pulsating keyword? Never mind. Tum num, tum num, tum num. Tum num? I know you've heard people talk, so we will start singing. Yes, so that was from the City of Love. Just put in something together and we can sing. Now when Ramsar says something, it sounds very simple, very simple. But at 3 in the morning, I found myself scratching my head, wondering which beat is matching, which tune is matching. Do I include a little bit of Urdu? Do I not? Anyway, we've picked a few songs. This is a song of diversity. Bangalore is as colorful, cosmopolitan can get, right? We have that many flavors, that many cultures, that many food items, that many ways of wearing saris, that many galis that's floating around, all that we can really take in from. So this is a song, a set that we worked on. Feelings, nothing more than feelings, trying to forget my feelings of love. Teardrops rolling down my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. পৃথিবীটা নাকি শেষ হতে হতে স্যাটেলাইট আর কেবলের হাতে, ড্রয়িং রুমে বোকা বাক্সতে বন্দি। আহা 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 ভেবে দেখেছো কি তারারাও কলো আলোক বর্ষ দূরে, আরো দূরে তুমি আর আমি যাই ক্রমে সরে সরে। ভেবে দেখেছো কি তারারাও কলো আলোক স্পর্শ দূরে, আরো দূরে তুমি আর আমি যাই ক্রমে সরে সরে। ಯಾರಿವನು ಈ ಮನ್ಮಥನು ಯಾರಿವನು ಈ ಮನ್ಮಥನು Now to proceed this little medley of a song, guys, applaud. एक artist को थोड़ी सी appreciation चाहिए. Thank you. So, the next song that we've picked is a very old song. Why did we pick an old song? Well, because there is something about an emotion which is new. The song may be old, but this is an emotion which is ambient and which can be played with and experimented with. And at 3 o'clock in the morning, some of you may, think about how this emotion can be dealt with separately, individually. It's a ghazal, and we've made an arrangement which is slightly different, hopefully. This is a Talat Mahmood specialty song composed by S.D. Burman. जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके दर्द बन के जो मेरे दिल में रहा ढल ना सका जादू बन के तेरी आँखों में रुका चल ना सका दर्द बन आज लाया हूँ So I will tell you something about this song where Sunil Dutt, those of you who've seen the video, I'm sure many of you have, you're just really tired after this long day. Sunil Dutt is holding a phone and singing. And he's singing and singing and singing. And of course, his love is being reciprocated through a phone. How wonderful is that? Now, in a city like Bangalore, where there's diversity, where there's love, where there are moods, I think there will be a lot of phone conversations, just that this time with digitization, we'll have lots of other ways to communicate. The song that we've picked after this is a song written by, who else could it have been written by? It's by Kuvempu, who really is the poet of the 20th century. It's composed by Ram Sir, who is not visible right now, but he's somewhere. It's composed by him, and this is a song written many, many years behind where we are today. But we have added an element of futuristic beats that John is going to help lead with. So it's an old song. What are we doing with things of the past? How are we honoring it? How are we valuing it? How are we using it for our present? I think the poetry, the culture being the bedrock, bedrock being the operative word here, can lead the way in any situation for us individually, for us collectively. And who else than Kuvempu showing us the way? Chetana means, guys. Kuvempu has written one word to aayega. Chetana. What is Chetana? Nobody? Awakening. Was that Ram sir? He's like God sometimes. You can't see him, but you can hear him. And okay, it's not drums. Yeah, so it's Awakening. So this song talks about how we must be rooted and still be universal in our spirit, global in our spirit. We don't have to forget the country we are born in. We don't have to forget Kannada anywhere we go, right? So I guess that's the spirit of this song. And we tried to bring it to a more futuristic sort of beat. Yeah, hope you like. The last song of the set, guys, is a song which I'm sure is apocalyptic in many ways. Apocalyptic and how you rise from the ashes. And you've heard it all. It's a Bond song, it's a very famous song. There have been a lot of predictions about how things won't work with this city, right? And we're hoping we can stick together as Bangaloreans and rise above it, rise above the dark and fight it all out together. This is a song by Adele, the famous Adele. I'm sure you know what song I'm talking about. This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt this moment, swept away and stolen. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together at skyfall. At skyfall. Skyfall is where we start, 1,000 miles and poles apart. Where worlds collide and days are dark. You may have my number, you can take my name, but you'll never have my heart. thank you so much. This was wonderful performing for Deccan Herald, especially because I think the quality of journalism is very right here. बहुत सही है, and in a place, well, I think Deccan Herald is doing great work, so it's an honor to be performing here. Thank you.